Right, so I'm out geocaching today. Good morning geocaches, by the way. And I'm doing a few in Holywell Green, near where my sister lives, because I've been here taking care of my mum. And just done one in Shaw Park. And I'm just off to do another one called Rusty Nail or something. I can't remember. I'll put a link up on the, well, I'll put an image up on the screen. Let's go. I came in at the park at the top there, and I'm hoping there's a way out at the bottom. I'll show you why. Because I need to be in that general direction, I think. I live in York, and one of the problems with this area for me is, well, York is flat, this area isn't. Whew. You might hear me panting quite a bit in this one. Right, so after a little boo-boo on my part, where I did head off in the wrong direction, I'm now back on track. Well, this one's a bit of a squeeze. It's a good job I'm only slim. Oi, no laughing at the back. Today I'm testing out a new Lavalier lapel mic. This is the Vojo P1 that you've seen my unboxing and quick review of. And this is the first outing of it in a working situation. So, don't know what this is going to sound like when I get back. As you can see, I've got a dead cat on it. It does come with a couple of spongy wind muffs, but I tend to think these are better. So, we'll see what it's like. It did just a second ago say 377 metres, there we go. So we're not actually that far away. I think all the trees in this area are playing havoc with the GPS on the phone system. But we're getting closer. A proper ice flow down here. Look at that! Woo-hoo. Right, so not got far to go. Only about 50 metres. Thought the hint for this one was pretty good. It said magnetic near the tree, and the title of the cache is Rusty, and I don't know whether you can tell this, but you're perched on a rusty gate. So there was a bit of a clue there. There's a little magnetic micro. Nice work, cache owner. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. I'm going to go and sign this and then pop off and see if I can find another one quickly before I need to get back to my sister's to take care of my mum. If you subscribe to the channel, YouTube will give you a notification when I've uploaded any more videos. It doesn't cost you anything. So that's all for now. I'll see you soon.